Here we go. We are back with another video for you, and this time it's in 6.5 Grendel using the Hornady SSTs in 123 grain, shooting out at 90 feet per second. We're at about 50 yards, and we're doing the dime bag expansion test. What is the dime bag expansion test? Well, here you go. What is the dime bag expansion test, you might ask? Well, here it is, set up for you. We have a 1/4 inch board with a baggie of water. Another 1/4 inch board, baggie of water, 1/4 inch board, baggie of water, 1/4 inch board. What we're going to do here is to see the difference, if any, of micro expansion as it passes through each board. Hopefully this works and catch the bullet on the in the blue jeans. So that is what dime bag expansion is. And there you are. That is the dime bag expansion test. So we're gonna get this wrapped up real quick, and y'all stick around and see how it goes. Okie doke, here we go on the dime bag expansion. What we got going on here? We got, this is the first board right there. It's actually the exit. There's the entry, and we got the next one set up going right here. And then, as you see, as it's passing through the water, small hole gets a little bit bigger, gets a little bit bigger. And then we're already, I guess, splashdown, bullets deformed, losing everything, and we just kind of bust through. Well, I mean, when you talk about the force of the water and everything else being forced through it, we're just snapping that board, but there's a hole on that one. Again, I wasn't going for how it's going through the wood, because these are baggies of water, so everything's going to be shifted a little bit, you know, so it ain't going to be lined up perfect. So that is, you can see how it is technically a success, because you can see the progression of the bullet getting bigger. Boom, boom, and then right through there. So that is pretty cool. Look at that. Bohemian Hunting Club coming up with some more scientific stuff. And there you are. And there's the bullet after going through. 6.5 Grendel. Let's get some expansion going on here. Wham. 5.5, 4.7. Yeah, so we went through there, knocking that, and punching that. Like I said. Pretty gnarly. 123 grain. Let's see what it's doing. It's a windy day, so the table's gonna be a rocking. Out of 123 grains, we're calling it 86. So that's pretty good. It's really good. And y'all can actually see how it got expanded. Ta-da! It's magic. Bohemian magic. There you go. Thanks for watching.